Monday mood. Theo just had his head like between these pillows. Hi, Bubby. Did you have your head like this? Yeah, just he was sleeping like that. It was so apt for Monday mood.
Why are you silly boy?
Happy Monday. I was just wearing my glasses. Wanted to show you some packing updates. We did some packing over the weekend. That's what we got for now. We actually have more stuff than we thought, even though we are selling a lot of it. This month is very stressful between like packing and moving and Andrew still studying and everything. But I am just gonna run to the post office and drop off a few things, pick up a few things that I need, and get back to work. Hello, good morning. Let's zoom you out just a little bit. I have a busy day ahead of me, so I am gonna get ready and gonna film some stuff today and gonna continue my packing because I'm moving to Vancouver in case you missed that. So I move very soon, lots to do. So my breakouts from pregnancy have definitely gotten better, although they're not gone. Obviously, I still have like some up here. I don't know what it's from. My guess is that it's hormones and maybe like some stress and stuff. And I like to use a moisturizer before my sunscreen. I'm gonna use the Burt's Bees Truly Glowing Gel Cream. Really trying to highlight the pregnancy glow now that my skin is a little bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna use all Burt's Bees and gonna use some of my favorite products and some new product launches, which is very exciting. I'm basically using all cream products, not using any brushes, just using your fingers. So it's like a really easy glowing look for every day. I think my dog's coming upstairs.
Yeah?
I'm gonna start with this Goodness Glows Illuminating Primer. This is like illuminating and hydrating. It's got like a really pretty sheen to it. And it has avocado oil. You don't need very much, by the way. See how it like really gives you that nice sheen. And like all Burt's Bees products, this has no parabens, phthalates, SLS, petrolatum. They are Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free, which I love. And they are a landfill-free operation, carbon neutral certified. I love working with them. So I'm gonna go in just with a little bit of tinted moisturizer. This is the Goodness Glows Tinted Moisturizer. Just kind of like evens everything out, but it's really sheer and natural looking. I'm gonna wet a Q-tip and just wipe my eyebrows. They're microbladed, so I don't do anything to them anyway. And then I actually like to take a little bit of like foundation or tinted moisturizer or whatever off my nose, just because that is the thing that kind of like sticks out the most and that is seen first. And so you want it to look really natural. So if it looks like you're not wearing anything on your nose, it kind of looks like you're not wearing anything on your face, like a lot of foundation. Does that make sense? Just brush up my brows. I do have a microblading video if you guys are interested. Sorry for anyone who's heard that a million times, but I still get questions. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the new Color Nurture Cream Blush. This is in Guava Meringue. I have a little bit of color just from being like sitting out on my porch last weekend. That is the color. It's super pretty. So it's really lightweight, buildable color. It's way easier to build color than to knock it back. They have 3 different colors. I like to put some on my nose too. If you're just gonna use this, I mean, you can put it anywhere basically. That's why I really like cream products like this. So you can put it on your eye, on your lips. Maybe I'll put a little on my lips. It's a really pretty color. So next I'm gonna use their Color Nurture Cream Eyeshadows. This is in Rose Cream, and I'm actually going to use this as a highlight because I think you can just use products anywhere you want, basically. And the color is perfect for a highlight. Just put some down my nose. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my eye and a little bit on the inner corner too. Just kind of like hitting where the light naturally would hit your face. So like along here, here, the top of your, or the middle of your lid, and then the inner corner. And that just kind of like lightens those parts up. You can have too much highlighter, but I also feel like you can't have too much highlighter, you know? So I'm gonna do my lashes. This is the volumizing mascara. I really like this one and it's clean. And I have a really hard time finding clean mascaras that I actually like. I do like to do my bottom lashes just to kind of frame my eyes. I also got this Goodness Glow's Miracle Balm, which is kind of like an all-in-one product. Like you can basically use it however you want. You can use it on your eyebrows, on your lips, on your cheekbones. I actually normally keep it in the car. Then I can just use it wherever it's dry, like on my knuckles, my cuticles, my lips, whatever. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with the Squeezy Tinted Lip Balm in Sweet Peach. I love this color. It's a moisturizing flavored tinted lip balm. And it's like thick enough that you get some color, but it's not like a lipstick and it's not sticky at all. This is 100% natural origin and it comes in 4 shades, but it's sheer enough that you can kind of just gives like a tint, you know? There we go. So just like a very healthy, peachy kind of look, very moisturized, glowing, using all those cream products. Again, for people who are afraid of like brushes and stuff, it's so easy to use cream products, especially because when they're in a pot like this or something similar like the blush and the eyeshadow, you can use them wherever you want, which I really love. I don't think that makeup needs to be used exactly what people tell you to use it for. Okay, that's me. I am gonna do some shooting and then I am gonna continue packing. So I'll probably bring you guys along for some of that. I'll see you later. I realized I haven't really shown you guys my bump in a while, but there we go. It's getting bigger. I right now am 25 weeks. Gonna put on a sweater. This is where we're at with the hair today, and I'm gonna get packing. So this is what my office looks like now. Sold a bunch of stuff and I'm packing everything. So I'm gonna continue with that. I've said this before, but I'm going to Vancouver before Andrew, and we are not bringing like almost all of our furniture, pretty much anything, but we obviously still have like stuff to bring with us. So we got this shipping container thing, and so we have to pack up a bunch of boxes and stuff, and then that gets there like end of April. So I have to like make sure that the things that I'm gonna need for the next month come with me in a suitcase, and everything else can go in the boxes, but I feel like that might present an issue later. Hopefully not. So I want to get rid of things that I don't need and that's like extra clutter, but I also want to be really aware of not like throwing things out and then rebuying them and just like contributing to more and more waste. So, you know, like we're gonna bring all our hangers. Yeah, I'm just trying to be aware of that. I don't know, I feel very disorganized right now. To show you guys how I'm packing up my jewelry, because I found this on the internet, and what you do is spread out like bubble wrap. I got this recyclable kind of like bubble wrap paper that you can use, and you lay down your necklaces and then you tape them. So I've got tape along here and tape along here, and then you just roll it up and then they don't get all tangled up. Gotta do all that. Wish me luck. I am not having a good day today. I'm just in a really bad mood. So I made Andrew go with me to Shoppers, and I'm making a cake with chocolate icing. And it's 8:50.
Are you vlogging this moment?
What I really wanted was Betty Crocker brownie mix. They didn't have it. Woe is me. It'll be like 9:30 or 10 by the time I'm done. And then I'll just go to bed. I'm gonna go start the Bachelor finale.
Cake in a box. How did it go?
The middle's all...
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna fix this. I think it's gonna involve some scooping.
I'm a good baker.
You're a great baker. We gotta get you on
Oh my god.
this Christmas baking shows, because this is a cake to remember. Wow, here we go. We're gonna bake this little thing. Okay, let's go. I think it's mostly just this middle bit. You're gonna have a little cake blob.
Yeah.
You know what you should have made? You know what we should have done? We should have made little, like with the uncooked bits, is made cake pops.
Do you have the ingredients to make cake pops?
Yeah, it's just cake on a stick. We just have to go outside and get Theo to find some sticks. Okay, now this will cook nicely.
So just flatten it out a bit.
Sorry, what was that, Gordon Ramsay?
So it looks better.
Oh, flatten it. This one?
Both of them.
Yeah, there you go. Mmm, cooking. I'm such a great baker.
Baking.
Okay.
And that one.
Okay, Martha Stewart, this is a lot of direction.
Well, it'll just be easier to eat, don't you think?
I think it'll be easier to eat, for sure. But I'm just like,
Yeah. Okay.
why am I flattening it? What is it for?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to put this one in. Oh, definitely eat that piece. I think we can maybe save this.
Well, it doesn't matter what it looks like at the end of the day.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, here's a lesson. Doesn't matter what it looks like. Aww. Okay, so I think we're going to put this one in for like 5 minutes so, and then we'll put them both in for like,
Okay, this is where we're at. And listen, it didn't go well, but I'm just gonna put some icing on it and eat it because it'll just taste the same, right? Okay, here we go.
honestly, it tastes great.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a nice visual representation of how the pandemic's going.
That's true. I'm not a baker.
What's your dad's profession again? I keep forgetting.
He's not a baker.
Nobody has a bakery, right? Okay, great. I just wondered where it came from, this natural talent of yours. Can't train
It's
this.
good. Obviously.
Yeah, it's actually very good.
I just filmed a bunch of things today. I filmed this little makeup tutorial for a reel, and then I filmed a contracts blogging series informational video that I will have up. I do have a few other videos with a bunch of blogging and influencer information, whether it's like a background or kind of what sponsored posts are, how they work, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, I will link that. And now I'm gonna go do some computer work. I feel like I should go out because my hair and makeup is done. But there's nowhere to go and it's a pandemic still, so I don't know what to say. My sweatshirt is H&M actually, and I do have an H&M haul that I will link in case you're interested in seeing that. And yeah, bye. I just am doing a few last minute errands before I move, and I just went to the dentist. My lips always get so chapped after getting my lips cleaned. I'm using this Burt's Bees Goodness Glows Miracle Balm, which I'm actually keeping in the car because you can use it on like your lips, your cuticles, basically anywhere that you need anything. Anyways, yeah, my lips just get so chapped after. So I'm running a few errands and I'm having chips because I'm feeling a little bit nauseous for some reason. I don't know why. I guess probably pregnancy, but anyways. And yeah, like we're kind of packed up. Partly I need to like pack my suitcase, finish packing up whatever I can of the rest of the house. So I'm moving first, and then Andrew is gonna stay in Ontario until he can take his Royal College exam, and then he'll move after that. So he needs like a few things to live off of at our house. What else? I went by my old apartment to pick up a package, which PR people are still sending stuff to my old address from 2 years ago, and now I'm moving again. And like, believe me, I'm aware of like first world influencer problems. Oh no, you can't get your package. But it is kind of annoying. Okay, so I need to go get gas and go home and finish some work, and then I'm gonna not start packing, but like continue packing, you know. What are you doing on Mommy's yoga mat? Are you gonna do a downward facing dog? What are you doing? Hi, honey. You just want to hang out? Okay. You do you. That's so nice.
This is unbelievable.
That's so nice. Wow, I don't think I'll... How am I supposed to get through these?
What do you mean? We ate
three, four bags.
We ate a bag in a day this weekend.
Yeah.
How are we going to, what are we doing?
Okay, it's just a circuit. Like, I just got it off Instagram.
Look, I'm too tall for this. This is forced perspective, like in Lord of the Rings.
We're just doing a little cardio thing.
Just a circuit.
So the circuit is this, and then we're gonna do this 20 times.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Don't we need music?
One.
No, slow down. Let's take a nap. Let's just have some Fruit Loops.
Stop it.
We have Lucky Charms.
I'm like trying to get in shape.
I'm trying to eat Lucky Charms. Do we want music?
Yeah, just play some music. Look what we did.
My greatest game of Tetris of all time.
We just rented a U-Haul container and packed everything up.
Okay, go ahead.
Good
Come
job.
on, go ahead. It's cheaper than a flight. Go ahead. There's some water and stuff. Actually, it's dark.
How do you feel?
Very excited to live in a house with nothing in it for the next month.
Yeah.